So hey everyone, this is Amber Saxena from BITS Pilani campus, and today in this video we are going to talk about the previous year cutoff trends. We will be looking at previous 4 years trends of cutoff right from 2016 till 2019, and we would be analyzing the trend which is going on, if the cutoffs are increasing, if the cutoffs are decreasing, which branches have been increasing in cutoffs immensely and which branches are losing interest from students. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So let's first talk about the single degree branches, that is the branches which are there in BE. If I have to list them, these are CS, ECE, EEE, ENI, Mechanical, Manufacturing, Chemical, and at the last Civil. So you must be able to see a tabulated form of the cutoff trend which I have made, in which it is very vividly shown that how the cutoffs are ranging, how the cutoffs are varying from the year 2016 till 2019 for different campuses. So if we analyze all this data which I have put in the tabulated form, you would be easily able to see this fact that the four branches, the top four branches, which are Computer Science Engineering, which is CSE, then Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. These four branches have been able to maintain their status as the most popular branches among the students, the reason of which we will be discussing in detail as we further proceed in the video. And if you will see to the cutoffs of 2018 and then to the cutoffs of 2019, you will very easily be able to see that the cutoffs have increased for the last 2 years. Coming on to the second point, last of the branches according to the cutoff, which are Chemical and Civil. The cutoff of these branches, Chemical and Civil, have been falling immensely for the past 4 years. If you will see the trend, you will see that from 2016 till 2019, every year the cutoffs has been falling immensely. Second point, if you will see just the upper branch to that of Chemical, which is Mechanical, you will find a very big gap, a very big difference in the cutoffs for Mechanical and Chemical. It is very clear that the cutoff difference between Chemical and Mechanical is at least of 20 marks, and in some cases it has exceeded 20 marks even. It clearly indicates that Chemical and Civil has been the least popular, or you can say the least preferred branches in BITS Pilani for the past 4 years according to the cutoff trends of past 4 years. This is just an analysis of what the students are selecting and what the students' perception of different branches are. I am not here to demean any branch or to belittle anyone. It's just what the students have selected in their counseling process for the past 4 years. But if you will see the trend from 2016, the cutoff of Mechanical has also decreased a lot, where in 2016 and 17 it used to be above ENI, it used to be above Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in almost all the 3 campuses. Now it has dropped down to below Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, some cases to even more than 5 to 6 marks. Again shows the reducing popularity of this branch and the shift of the student selection, the shift of the popularity, shift of the interest towards computer science and electronics related branches. The fourth point says that if you will observe computer science at any campus for the past 4 years, cutoffs are varying, cutoffs are somewhere decreasing, they are somewhere rising. But if you will see the aggregate, the whole picture, the holistic picture, you will see that computer science has not dropped down for more than 10 marks in any year. Overall, if you will see in Pilani campus, the highest is around 383 and the lowest being 378. It has not moved down even below 10 marks. Similar is the case with electronics and electrical related branches. If you will see in all the campuses, they have been able to maintain their statuses and the cutoffs have not fallen more than 20 marks, and in some cases they have even not fallen more than 10 marks. So it's a very good sign that these 5 branches, computer science and other electrical electronics related branches, are doing very good, are able to gain the interest, are able to gain the confidence of students. And I think this trend has been possible just because of the placement statistics which these 4 branches are offering to students. If we see of computer science, then according to 2019 statistics in Pilani campus, the average package of computer science engineering went around 25-26 lakhs per annum. Similarly, if I tell you of the electrical and electronics branches, the average package at Pilani campus is somewhere around 14-15 lakhs per annum. So I think this is one of the biggest reason, and in fact can be the biggest reason for why these 4 branches have been able to maintain their statuses and have not seen a drastic decrease in the cutoffs for the past 4 years. Now let's discuss about what is the situation with dual degree programs. So now if I talk of the dual degree program, you can easily see on the screen that there has been a very tremendous decrease in the cutoffs from 2016 to 2017. One of the reasons for which was the increase in the number of seats in the dual degree program. If we talk about 2017 to 2019, there has been a very good trend, a positive trend in Goa and Hyderabad campus, where we can vividly see that the cutoffs are increasing in every branch which is there in dual degree. In fact, even in Pilani campus, we are able to see an increase in the cutoff from 2018 to 2019 and 2017 also in some cases. Okay, so the basic thing being, dual degree programs are able to gain trust and are able to gain interest of the students, and children are finding them a better way and also one of the best ways to gain the branches of interest which they are not able to attain because of their low marks in BITSAT or due to whatever reason. Point number 2, if we are to arrange the branches, these branches in terms of their priority as filled by the students, then obviously economics will come at the top. Second position will be backed by either maths or physics. It can vary from year to year. Then in the end comes chemistry and biology. But the big thing is that the difference which is there in cutoff of maths and chemistry is increasing over year, and it has not reduced to below 20. If you will calculate the difference, you will find the difference is at least of 20 marks between MSc Mathematics and MSc Chemistry in one particular year. So that is very dramatic, and you can say that is very challenging for chemistry and biology people, because it seems that these branches are not appealing very much to the public. But at the same time, if you will see the number of increase, the marks increase, the level of increase in the cutoffs, then chemistry and biology are performing very good for the past 3 to 4 years. We can see a tremendous increase, an exponential increase in the cutoffs of biology since 2017, where it used to be around 230 in some campus, and in 2019 it has reached to 260. So that's an exponential increase, which is again a good sign for these all branches. So in the end, we can conclude that economics has been able to maintain its status as the most popular branch among dual degree aspirants, while chemistry and bio, though they have been able to increase their cutoffs, but still they are still yet the least popular and the least preferred branch by the students. So this was all from this video. You can easily take the screenshot of the tabulated cutoffs which I have put here and can analyze it yourself again. So signing off, guys. If you are new to our channel, if you like the video, then please hit on the like button, share it with your friends who are there and who are willing to come to BITS Pilani this year, or maybe next year, or maybe year after that. Share it. Sharing is very important. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's meet in the next video. Comment below which part of the video you liked the most and which part you didn't like at all. Comment 1 if you actually liked the video and actually enjoyed watching it. If you found something new in this video, comment 1 in the comment section below. I will be waiting for all of your comments. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a great life ahead. Take care of your health. Be inside. Be safe. Okay. So meet you in the next video. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.